Hi there everyone, and welcome to your Wednesday's weather update. It's going to be cooler today over the far western parts of the country after yesterday's extreme temperatures in the area, thanks to this low pressure system which is now pushing in cooler and moist air behind it, also bringing in some cloud cover. Not too far into the interior of South Africa as well as towards the southern coastline, very high temperatures still expected for today, above 40 degrees Celsius for some parts of the southern Karoo. Partly cloudy in the far north. We could see very patchy thunder showers for some areas, and by tonight moisture starts to move in along the northern coastline of KwaZulu-Natal, bringing in a few showers towards Richards Bay as well as Cape St. Lucia. But before we take a look at the rainfall probability map, first up the warnings for today, and there is one warning for a high fire danger over the western interior of the country, mainly due to the high temperatures in the region. Now for your rainfall probabilities, and there we see the showers along the north coast of KwaZulu-Natal mainly for this evening, while we could see a couple of very isolated thunder showers over western Limpopo, including around the Lephalale area, perhaps just across the border into the northwest. The rest of South Africa remaining dry for the day, and a couple of isolated thunder showers possible in a very parched Namibia. Moving ahead to your temperatures, and it's going to be a hotter day for some parts in the north. Pretoria gets to 31, Johannesburg just below their 30-degree mark, while temperatures remain well into the 30s around Mahikeng. A very hot day for Bloemfontein as well as Queenstown in the mid-30s, warm across the east coast of South Africa. Port Elizabeth gets to 28. Still windy in places along the stretch of the coast. We are expecting East London to get up to 45 kilometers per hour this afternoon, and a southeasterly swell comes in with a height of about 1.5 to 2 meters along KZN's coast. For the southern parts of the country, very hot today for the south coast in particular, 37 degrees in George, while we are expecting a high of 41 for Graafrenet. Taking a look at the coastal conditions, and easterly winds continue today for Plettenberg Bay as well as Jeffreys Bay, while a southwesterly wind is going to start moving in towards the Mossel Bay area. Southwesters for Hermanus cooling things down with a high of 23 this afternoon. 40 degrees as a maximum for Uppington, while Sutherland will be very hot as well at 34. Slightly cooler for Springbok today at 35 degrees Celsius, cooling down by about 3 or 4 degrees from yesterday. Along the western coastline, much cooler over this area thanks to the southwesterly winds, which have also pushed in some early morning fog, and we are expecting low swells at 1.5 meters. Now for a quick look at Thursday, and it's going to be a sunny and very hot day for the western interior once again. Evening light rain possible along the south coast, including Port Elizabeth, while showers will spread into the Kruger National Park as well as towards Polokwane and Mbombela. It's all from the Weather Centre. Enjoy the rest of your Wednesday.